Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stepping into my corner of the world today. In this video, I am finally tackling my filthy kitchen. The kitchen is the central hub of our home and I spend hours in it every day. Thus, it gets dirty really fast. It was nasty and you can see that for yourself in these clips. But all that is about to change, so I hope you're ready. So if you're in need of some cleaning motivation to get you going and tackle your own kitchen, I got you covered. And for those of you who do not know me, my name is Emily. I'm just your average wife, homemaker, and mama. My life is normal and uneventful, and I honestly would not have it any other way. And I would actually love to get to know you all a little bit better, so be sure to say hi down in the comments, and I would love to have a chat with you. That's going to be all for me for now, but welcome once again, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up, better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is upside down. Are rolling over me. That's not how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, my body forgot how to move. Girl, you took the most of me. I'll just keep on drinking till the sun comes up. Get a feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb.
Ran into you at the drugstore, you were picking up your prescription. It's funny cause I got addicted to you when we were in love. And even though you broke it off, I struggle with it like you were a bottle of pills. I wish I could give in to my dependency, but I move on because I know what's bad for me. Cause seeing you means calling you, means all over roof again, falling for you, means sleepless nights, me in my mind, means craving the hit of you all the time. I can't even have a taste, I can't open up that gate. I can't open up that gate. I can't open up. Every time that I see you online, I wanna drop you a line, say hello, but I already know how it'll go. Small talk, but it's a big deal to me. I get in my feelings too fast, then I'm hurting when you don't write me back. I wish I could give in to my dependency, but I move on because I know what's bad for me. Cause seeing you means calling you, means all over roof again, falling for you, means sleepless nights, me in my mind, means craving the hit of you all the time. I can't even have a taste, I can't open up that gate. I can't open up that gateway. I can't open up. I used to spiral when I couldn't get enough, so I moved on because I had to sober up. Cause seeing you means calling you, means all over roof again, falling for you, means sleepless nights, me in my mind, means craving the hit of you all the time. I can't even have a taste, I can't open up that gate. No, I can't open up that gateway.
Okay friends, so in a few moments here you're going to see the end result of my kitchen cleaning extravaganza. It was sparkly clean right up until the moment that I had to make dinner, and then it's been all downhill from there. But I relished in the few moments that it was perfectly clean, and I feel mighty accomplished anyways. As we are coming to a close, I want to thank you so much for watching. I know that there are so many other things that you could be doing besides watching YouTube, so it means the world to me that you are choosing to hang out with me. If you enjoyed any part of this video or found it entertaining, helpful, or motivating, would you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to check back in next week for another video. Don't forget to say hi down in the comments. Until next time, bye!